First clue we were in Canada.
Maple popcorn.
Maple popcorn.
Brian's never been to Epcot, so everything is new.
We're Brian and Megan.
We're an average American couple who loves to travel and explore.
Welcome to our average wild experience. Day 2, where are we headed?
Epcot. Here we are, day 2, entering Disney World Resort again.
Epcot, 3 miles.
Back to the land of 1,000 suns.
Yeah, I can hear him. Back to the land of 1,000 signs. Again.
Go. Entering Epcot.
So, new COVID check here. Go through and get your temperature scan. We went through, couldn't record it, that's okay. So we're healthy, we're in the park, ready to go. And there's the Epcot ball.
Brian's never been to Epcot, so everything is new. So we're trying to fit everything we can.
Sensory overload right now. There's a big ball. There's plants everywhere. Art, Nemo. Sensory overload so far, but it's good.
You're like my little child.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sensory overload.
But if she puts a child leash on me, that's when I know I'm in trouble. First thing we're doing is soaring around the world. So we just got done with soaring. It was really cool.
Yeah.
Saw a whole bunch. Saw the pyramids of Egypt and the polar bears of the Arctic. Castles. It was really cool. Really cool.
Backpacking the world, if you will.
Backpacking the world.
So we're starting in Mexico, so we're gonna update as we go. Ready?
I'm really excited. Let's go.
Brian's never been.
No.
First step.
Our first stop is Canada. It's the first clue we were in Canada.
Maple popcorn.
Maple popcorn. So we're now at our first clue that this was Canada, the maple popcorn stand. So we're gonna grab some drinks.
Maybe some
what are you gonna
popcorn.
get?
The Ottawa apple, which is like whiskey and apple flavoring.
I'm gonna get some type of beer, either Moosehead or Lafin. I don't know yet. I have not.
Game time decision. As
I'm
Brian
not
calls
decided.
it.
It's gonna be a game time decision, yes. Here's what we got. I got the Thin Lumande maple popcorn and Megan's whiskey drink.
I got a whiskey drink.
First sip, how is it?
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ah. Alrighty.
It's definitely fruity. That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. Drink review, how was it?
It was very good. Very whiskey-y. Like you could definitely taste the whiskey in it. So if you're not a fan of whiskey, don't order this. But if you like whiskey, amazing.
Stop 1, Canada. Complete. On to the UK.
So let's go.
So on the way to the UK, we are
That explains the music too.
have some Princess Crossing. That explains the music. Stop number 2 was the UK Rose Inn Pub.
And I looked up online, you were supposed to drink anything from their pub blends. And so I got a cider and black currant. It's like a berry is what I was told. So we're hoping it's good.
And I got a recommendation from the man at the bar, and that was the snake bite, which was, so it was apple mixed with Guinness. And this is what they look like. Megan's on the left, mine on the right. First review of the snake bite. It's pretty good.
And of the cider. Ooh, that's really good.
Figured you like that one.
It's very sweet, which is what I wanted. I like that a lot.
Oh, that's good. I think so far, UK is winning over Canada.
There you go. I don't know. I think they're tied.
Okay.
They're good, but they're different, you know?
All right. So yours is tied. I think the UK is winning for me. I like a fruity beer, but I really like my Guinness.
So good.
So I think UK is winning for me.
We got fish and chips. I figure we have to try some kind of food that's like typical for each country, even if it's not that typical, like the maple popcorn.
Good. How are the fries? So I'll do the first test. Pretty good. Very good. It's very, very crisp bite, very crisp taste. It's very good.
All right, on to the next. We are going to France. Masks on, and here we go.
We are now arriving in France. Our stop here is Fleur de Lis. We're going for the rosé slushy.
I think I'm gonna go with the raspberry
think?
one. Yeah.
Okay.
This is some kind of raspberry wine for me, and Brian got some kind of slushy that I don't remember what it's called because it was a long, complicated French name. Ooh, that's good. But
Try that one.
oh, okay. I can't decide which one's better. I'm terrible at this.
It's tasty.
That's
It
good.
definitely has vodka.
That's why I don't know, because that is a little too wine-ish. I really like the wine.
I like the aftertaste of the
Yeah,
wine.
that's what I'm saying.
It's very winey. It's like, oh, it's nothing special. Then the
And
aftertaste hits you.
raspberry hits you.
The
This
aftertaste
is
hits
really
you.
good. Look at this tiny little cup.
Very good. All right, we're gonna finish some French drinks. Maybe get some food,
That's typically
Yeah.
the sign of
Baguette.
baguette, and we'll update you then. China, we're here. We have arrived. What is this line for? I hope this isn't for Norway. For the Frozen. So I got some drinks. I got Megan an orange and mango vodka triple sec drink. And then I have a tequila drink. And then some crab and cheese wontons. So I'm really excited to taste these. We'll let you know how it is when we meet with Megan. She's right there in line. As soon as she gets over there, I'll meet up with her and we'll be able to taste and drink our drinks. This is Norway. Waiting in line for Frozen Ever After. So we're in Norway. I got a beer. It's Germany's seasonal beer. Kind of like a Stella, apparently. It tastes pretty good. What'd you get?
It's called the Troll Chrome. I have no idea, but it's really good.
So we're probably gonna skip food this time. Getting late, we're getting tired. But we are 10 of 11 countries we're backpacking through. And one to go. What's our last one?
Do you know the last one? You've been talking about it all day.
I have.
Because you want this certain kind
Right,
of drink.
we're going to Mexico next because I want a margarita. I've been wanting margaritas for a while now, actually. So we're gonna finish our drinks, enjoy them, and we will see you in Mexico.